Nepal earthquake 2015 brought the greatest destruction in the history of Nepal, leaving almost 1 million of ill-fated people without residence. Rayobari, Chorvesi village, located at Mandandevpur Municipality 9, Kavri district, is not an exception. People were struggling for roofs for protection as heavy monsoon and severe winter were approaching in their doors. Even though people lost their houses, they did not lose their hopes. And their hope to rebuild their houses materialized after they came in contact with Rotary Club. Losing their residence on earthquake, people of the community were left in dilemma regarding reconstruction of their homes. Forget about earthquake-resistant houses. Their hopes multiplied when Rotary reached there. Rotary Club of Thulikil and Rotary Club of Kabre Banipa joined to provide the required material for reconstructing their houses. Then villagers united to work together for reconstruction of earthquake-resistant buildings. The then District Governor Rotarian Kesab Kumar and ERRP Chair PDG Rotarian Tirthaman Sakya jointly laid the foundation stone for the reconstruction of the village amidst the villagers adding live smiles to the faces of the villagers on 27 December 2015.
अब चाहिँ हामी घरमा बस्न पाउँछौं कि जस्तो अनुभव भइरहेको छ
अब घर बनाउन बन्नी भयो क्यारे भन्ने जस्तो लागिरहेछ अनि बन्न त बन्नी भयो अनि हामीलाई सहयोग चाहिँ कसरी आउँछ होला कामदारहरू कसरी आउँछन् होला अनि के होला भनेर त्यो चाहिँ अलिकति मनमा खुल्दुली नै छ अझै पनि
Each and every household were provided with biogas plants connected with toilet that facilitated people to promote their kitchen smoke-free.
ग्यास भएपछि अब यसो ग्यास बाल्यो खाना पकाउन नि सजिलो भाँडा कालो नि नहुने हात कालो नि नहुने सजिलो भएको छ
The earthquake not only destroyed their homes but also the water resources too. There was scarcity of water as their usual water holes were dry. Water has been supplied in the village through the project by lifting process with the help of Rotary. To facilitate the villagers, community taps have been set up at 5 different places, providing filtered water through sky hydrant water filters. The village has been provided water, latrines, biogas, access road, and 9 different species of fruit plant suiting the environment along with the home. Rotary Club has provided the training for income generation activities, mason and carpentry that has helped to contribute to the nation building as well as for earning the living too.
कतिले चाहिँ रोजीरोटीको लागि मात्र यो काम गर्नुभएको छ भने कसैले चाहिँ पेशागत रूपले पनि गर्नुभएको छ हैन तिनका लागि चाहिँ एउटा अवसर बन्नु पर्यो सरकारले त्यो अवसर बनाउनु पर्यो र अनि विदेशी दाजुभाइहरू पनि हाम्रो किनकि आर्थिक नभएर विदेशीएका छन् तिनलाई पनि नेपालमा रोक्न सक्नु पर्यो
म नि एकचोटी विदेश गएर मलेसिया गएर आएर अहिले तालिम लिएर अब भूकम्प प्रतिरोधात्मक घर बनाउँछु सिक्छु भनेर यहाँ आएर सिकेको छु र अवश्य बनाउने छु मेरो आफ्नै घर पनि भूकम्प प्रतिरोधात्मक बनाउनु छ त्यसमा सारै खुसी छु
People have already started to live in earthquake-resistant house, engaging in social welfare program. The community is involved in constructing 2 multi-purpose community buildings in suitable site where they can reside during the natural disaster and perform community activities and religious rituals with the help of Rotary in collaboration with the Art of Living.
छाप्रोमा बस्दा त कति गाह्रो भएको थियो अहिले त धेरै नै सजिलो भएको छ
साह्रै खुसी लागेको छ उहाँ असो सर अघि लाग्नुभयो हामी पछि लाग्यौँ हामीले जो सकेका गऱ्यौँ उहाँहरूले नि सहयोग गर्नुभयो हामीलाई चपट्ट खुसी छौँ हामी
The total project cost for the village is Nepalese rupees 48,465,256. Among that, rupees 18,531,256 is funded through Rotary International District 3292 Earthquake Relief, Rehabilitation and Reconstruction Program. Local community has contributed in kinds and labor amounting rupees 25,134,000 rupees. Rotary Club of Dhulikhel and its national and international partners contributed rupees 4,150,000. The project is completed and handed over to the community by CEO of NRA, Dr. Govinda Pokhrel, on 8th April 2017 in presence of Council of Governors and Rotarians of RI District 3292.
जुन रोटरीको मैले यो अहिले साइकल हेरेँ उहाँहरूले जुन ट्रेनिङ दिनुभएको छ र यो विभिन्न कन्स्ट्रक्सनका मेटेरियलहरू बनाउनु भएको छ यो सबैले चाहिँ रोजगारीका अवसरहरू मान्छेका क्षमताहरू वृद्धि गर्दै जान्छ। अब यसमा आगामी दिनमा हामी अरू संस्थाहरूसित भयो भने अझ रोटरीले अझ थप गरेर हामीले सबैको आय आर्जन बढाउनुतिर हामी लाग्छौँ।